I mean, it's so sad.
What are we protesting now? So here I am, broken and alone, but not lonely. Ooh, that's a lot of wind. I think what I'll do actually is once I'm done with breakfast, I think I'll just try cooking at the park. Oh, what is this, Iris? There you go, baby girl. Good girl. Yeah, it's nice and cool back here, huh? Right next to the cold grocery. Look good. I think she wants to go picnicking. Bum, 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 bum. Spoon, important. It's Faye. Of course, I have absolutely no way to accurately measure how much I'm putting, so I'm just kind of going on faith here. Oh my God, you're gonna park right next to me? Oh my God. I love blueberries, so I'm gonna eat all of those. The thing about frozen fruit, you don't need ice in your ice box. It does its job for you. Life's beautiful. I don't know what we were tricked into thinking about being child-free, but here we are. I mean, I can't have kids, but I feel like my whole generation is just not having children. So here I am, broken and alone, but not lonely. In the shade, mostly, and loads of company if you want to invite the whole family of spiders, that is. Anyway, nope, let's go over here. Got that pine cone grill going. Has some good eating right there. Nope. I see you, Mr. Squirrel. I see you. Back to somewhere in AC.
I'm having a little bit of a hard time. Nicholas Brandon, who played Sandra on Buffy, just died. Maybe it seems stupid, I didn't know him, but he was so funny, Buffy. And I just did my rewatch just a few months ago, and I haven't felt so sad for a celebrity dying since Jason David Frank. I mean, it's so sad. Sometimes I don't feel like I have very many emotions come to the surface. So when I do feel pain of loss, at least I know I'm still a human. I'm having such a hard time with this one. I know it's kind of stupid and so millennial of me to cry on camera, but god damn it. Be thankful for the people that make you laugh, that's all.
Oh boy, more protesting, oh boy. What are we protesting now? Let's find out. Honk for democracy. Well, we've got people who think the country's going to shit, depending on who's president, but Tuesdays, doesn't matter who's president, in my opinion. I'm just trying to get to freaking park to eat food. This is just an echo chamber. They're all bleeding heart liberals in a very liberal town. Go to a Republican town if you want to do that. Like, what are you doing? You're not gonna change anyone's mind who already agrees with you. Like, what's the point? Just trying to get to the park. Why do people have to like make a big stink about it? It doesn't matter who's in charge, guys. It's what? I don't know. Everything's so fake. Go outside, enjoy nature. That's what really counts. Be with your family, be with your friends. Everything else is secondary. If you want to make a change in the world, change you. Go be happy. So today's a good day for meals. We have chicken fajitas and then we have mac and cheese. Hi, what you doing? Yeah, you want a picnic? Just shaved my legs. That does not feel good. Nothing fancy, just a Walmart brand mac and cheese, 64 cents a box. That's all the water we need. Close it, just do quick and start. Let us go ahead and lock that in. So I can't actually tell if that's on. It's just too darn bright out. Oh yeah, I see it, okay. Yeah, it's kind of blowing itself out, but it's on. Nice and hot already. Oh yeah. Perfect. I think that's plenty for now. Let's go ahead and throw the chicken in. Ooh, that's a lot of wind. The mac and cheese. Oh, that is looking good. Done. And that is also done, so let's go ahead and turn that off. We are good to go. Let's go ahead and just this lovely looking thing out. Ah, bee, giant bee. Stay away from my food. It's probably on me. Oh well. Bees like food. They like food. They like meat. Did you know that? Bees like meat. Yeah, and I'm made of meat because I go to the gym all the time, so they kind of love me. On it. Get this nice stir. This is like kind of peak park hour, but the fields are said they were closed, so no one's over here, and I've just had the place to myself the whole time. Go ahead and just this bad boy out. Got two of them. And then we got our Greek yogurt, which I use instead of sour cream. Go ahead and eat our fajita finally. Just all tortilla. That's dry. Off-grid chicken fajitas, mac and cheese. Who wouldn't want that? That's pretty good. Giant bee. We're gonna try the mac and cheese. Now that it's been sat for half an hour. Life's good with some mac and cheese and some fajitas. Let me tell you, it's pretty good. I feel pretty good. This is a very affordable dinner, and it's also the tastiest one so far. I noticed for me, like, if I'm like feeling like way off and I'm goofy, and my friends will tell you this for sure, if I don't eat, I'm just insufferable. But once I eat, I'm like totally normal, fine. And I'm really happy right now. I got some good food. Can't go wrong with that. I ate like half of that, maybe 2/3. I am so full, you guys. I ended up just throwing the rest of the Greek yogurt in there because that was pretty dry.
My eyes now see what they hadn't been able to see. There's no end to the magic you